In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics repeated questions under saturated and unsaturated vapors. So we're going to practice with 5 repeated questions for this subtopic. Alright, so let's get started. The first question I have here says, a vapor is said to be saturated when option A, a dynamic equilibrium exists between the molecules of the liquid and the vapor molecules at a given temperature. Basically, guys, this is the right option, this question. Alright, no need checking option B, C, and D. The correct option is option A. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this question. It says vapor is said to be saturated on top of an enclosed liquid if option A, there is neither condensation nor vaporization of the liquid. No, the rate of condensation is greater than that of vaporization. No, the rate of condensation is equal to that of vaporization. Correct. So the right option here is option C. Let's check option D. It says the rate of condensation is less than that of vaporization. No, the correct option is option C. So that's it for this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says a vapor whose molecules are in dynamic equilibrium with those of its own liquid is said to be what? Option A, unsaturated. Option B, diffused. Option C, gaseous. Option D, saturated. The correct option in this question is option D, which is what? Saturated. Alright, so let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says a vapor is said to be saturated when, I think we've answered this question before. The correct option is option D, when a dynamic equilibrium exists between the liquid molecules and the vapor molecules at a given temperature. So lastly, before you call it a video or end the class, let's look at this one. It says a vapor whose molecules are in dynamic equilibrium with those of its own liquid is said to be what? I think I've also answered this question before. The correct option here is option C, which is the vapor is said to be saturated. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Practiced with 5 repeated questions under saturated and unsaturated vapors for your JAMB Physics. Let's go to the video, guys. Once more, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to our channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by click on the join button to become part of the community where we share special information that helps to simplify academic work. Alright, so join us now, and we're glad you did. Having known that, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.